Hey, welcome to FactNest. Today, I want to hit you with something crazy. We're diving into 5 facts about your body that are so unbelievable, you'll question whether you're even human. Let's kick this off. Fact number 1, your stomach acid can dissolve metal. I'm serious. Hydrochloric acid, the stuff your stomach makes every single day, can melt razor blades in a lab. It's the same type of acid used to process steel, and it's sitting inside you right now, just chilling. So how does your stomach not eat itself alive? Because your body is smarter than you think. Your stomach lining regenerates every 3 to 4 days. It's like replacing the floor of a volcano before it explodes. Every few days, new protective tissue grows to make sure the acid doesn't break through. Now here's something you probably didn't know. When you're under stress, your stomach produces even more acid. That's why extreme anxiety can lead to ulcers or stomach pain. Your emotions literally shape your biology. Fact number 2, your bones are stronger than concrete. Yeah, stronger than concrete. Bone is one of the toughest materials in the body. It's 5 times stronger than steel when compared by weight. Your femur, the thick bone in your thigh, can hold up to 30 times your body weight. That's more than a skyscraper column. Here's the real twist. Bone isn't just hard, it's alive. It breaks, heals, adapts. If you lift heavy weights, your bones will grow thicker over time. Your skeleton upgrades itself based on what you do. It's literally watching and reacting. But if you stop using it, it starts to shrink. Astronauts lose up to 1% of their bone mass per month in space. Why? Because there's no gravity to challenge their skeleton. So yeah, your bones need resistance to stay strong. Fact number 3, you are more bacteria than human. Let that sink in. You have about 30 trillion human cells, but over 39 trillion bacterial cells. That means your body is a walking, breathing ecosystem. You're not just you. You're billions of tiny life forms working together. Most of these bacteria live in your gut. They help break down food, absorb nutrients, fight off bad bugs. And here's the shocker. Some of them communicate with your brain. That's right. There's something called the gut-brain axis, a direct connection between your digestive system and your nervous system. That's why what you eat can affect your mood. Ever felt cranky when you're hungry? Or weirdly calm after a good meal? That's your bacteria talking. Think of it this way. You're not the only one living in your body. You're more like the mayor of a microscopic city. Fact number 4, your brain generates electricity, and it's always active. Even when you sleep, even when you're staring into space. Your brain is firing signals fast. You've got 86 billion neurons, each one sending signals at over 200 miles per hour. Altogether, your brain produces around 20 watts of electricity. That's enough to light a small bulb. But here's the wild part. Your brain uses shortcuts. It loves to be efficient, sometimes too efficient. That's why it creates biases, makes assumptions, and sometimes fills in fake memories. Your brain isn't perfect, it's smart, but it's also lazy. And it's constantly tricking you to save time. Ever remembered something clearly, but found out it never happened the way you thought? That's not you lying. That's your brain patching together missing pieces. Oh, and if your brain's enjoying this video so far, help feed it with a dopamine boost. Hit that like button and share this with someone whose mind you want to blow today. And fact number 5, your heart beats over 3 billion times in your lifetime, without ever being asked. No days off, no breaks, just work, non-stop, for 70, 80, maybe 90 years. Every day it beats about 100,000 times. It pumps 5 liters of blood every minute, over 7,000 liters a day. It's moving oxygen, nutrients, hormones, immune cells to every single part of your body. And it's been doing that since before you were born. Want something even crazier? If you took all the blood vessels in your body and laid them end to end, they'd stretch over 60,000 miles. That's more than twice around the Earth. And it's all packed inside your chest. That's not just a machine. That's a miracle. And let's recap. You've got acid that can melt metal, bones stronger than steel, bacteria that talk to your brain, a mind that lights up the dark, and a heart that works harder than anything on Earth. And you call yourself just human? You, my friend, are a freaking biological masterpiece. Now, here's my question for you. Which of these facts totally changed how you see your body? Was it the power of your bones, the microscopic city inside you, or the idea that your brain is always playing tricks? Comment below. I want to know what part blew your mind. And if this was just your first time watching FactNest, welcome. Because next episode, We're going inside the mind to figure out who's really in charge when you make a decision. Spoiler alert, it might not be who you think. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe and see you in the next one.